Subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button. Click the bell button and enjoy the latest uploads.
After Baikonur, where did Washington send you next?
Vietnam. Fucking Khe-Sanh.
This was in 1968.
Yeah, I was part of the SOG unit led by Frank Woods. It was recon on covert Russian activity in Laos.
What about your CIA handler, Hudson? Was he in Khe-Sanh? Do you remember him there?
Hudson.
Subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button. Click the bell button and enjoy the latest uploads.
After Baikonur, where did Washington send you next?
Vietnam. Fucking Khe-Sanh.
This was in 1968.
Yeah, I was part of the SOG unit led by Frank Woods. It was recon on covert Russian activity in Laos.
What about your CIA handler, Hudson? Was he in Khe-Sanh? Do you remember him there?
Hudson. And Mr. Shades. The guy was an ice cube.
Woods, he's here.
Mason,
Woods, you look like hammered shit.
so tough for shit, chunk. Nah, baby.
It's good to see you.
Yeah, you too.
Jason Hudson, CIA. Thank you for your time, Sergeant.
Right.
I've already briefed Mason broadly about the situation.
Let me fill in the blanks for you. Back in '64, the CIA gave up control for covert operations in Southeast Asia, handed it over to the U.S. military. From that, the McAfee SOG was born. Now, aside from being a base for the Marine Corps, Khe-Sanh is our launching point for all cross-border activities, mostly Laos and Cambodia. Missions are S&D, sabotage, black propaganda, strategic recon, POW rescue. You know.
That wasn't your objective.
You obviously didn't know Woods. You knew Khe-Sanh needed our help. There's no decision to make.
On station, standing by.
On the ladder! Check the ladder! Get down! What the? Target down! Contact by the train! Grab some cover! Contact down!
Enemy by the flanks!
Adjust your fire!
Watch near that bridge!
Incoming!
Move it, Mason! Come on! Give me cover! Shit! Infantry! Cover
over yet. Let's go.
Mayday! Mayday! Jesus Christ!
They're still coming! Pull back! Pull back!
Hostiles in the valley!
Hold this position!
Kill on the right!
Enemy down! In the valley! Enemy sighted! See him!
Contact down! Contact down! What's the empty hut?
Tank on the way! Shit! Get armor moving up! Russian T-55! We need something bigger! On me! Russian tank! No one ever gets bold! Here! This wall rock will burst them wide open! Enemies attack! Reloading! Cover me! Tango in the trench! In the trench! Contact! We're out of time!
In the trench! Got eyes on him! Nice shot! Burn!
Shit! Bastards ain't letting up!
Barclay,
Move!
10 minutes out. 1-7 to...
Those are our own mortars! Do they know we're here? Go to HQ! Enemy by the scalpel! Move on! Confirm! Reload! Incoming! Use spot holes for cover! 2-5 actual! Ceasefire! RPG!
Anybody have eyes on it? No, check the other side. Negative, negative.
Contact down! Take him out! Target down! You're taking fire! Got him! He ain't killed bunker! Keep pushing!
Repeat, do not engage. Fire, put it right there. I'm coming around again! Stay with me! Belay that order! Get your ass out of there! Repeat your left!
On me!
More NVA moving in! Infantry and armor! They must have a fucking division hit out there!
And I thought he was a pussy. Now that's what I'm talking about! Jumping back, get on the toe!
This thing's built like a tank.
Yeah, but a damn sight more maneuverable.
BF-143, Authorization Sierra Oscar, Golf X-Ray. Priority 1 orders to my command.
Affirmative, X-Ray. Engaging.
Use the controls to steer the tow missile.
Arc light, 5 minutes out.
Felt that one. Nice!
Arc light, 2 minutes out. BF-143 inbound. Roger that, X-Ray. BF-143 standing by. Understood. Stand by, X-Ray.
Okay! Ain't over yet!
Arc light, 1 minute out. Understood, X-Ray. Commencing run.
Pass us! At the touch line! Good one! You nailed him!
Check your weapon!
Attack, Mason!
BF-143 inbound.
Tango, by the hill!
Understood. Stand by, X-Ray. Roger that. We're inbound. Arc light. Coordinates confirmed. Engaging.
It's over.
This is the start of something else. They'll be back.
Bowman!
You look like hammered shit, Mason.
Would Nama do that to you?
Good to see you, Alex.
Jason Hudson, CIA. We're here to talk about your encounter with Russians in Laos. We got word a defector might be in play.